Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to switch to a business account on Instagram. On today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to business account on Instagram. First thing you need to do is go to Instagram, go to your profile. Once you're here, click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. After clicking on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner, click on the search, then type in professional. There we go. Professional. Add a new professional account. Then click on next. After clicking on next, choose a category on which you want your business to be. Choose any of that. You can just reel creator, shopping, photographer, grocery, gamer, personal blog, writer, editor, etc. All of those stuff. But now we're gonna choose gamer. Then select professional account. Then we're gonna add a phone number. As you can see, we're gonna add our phone number right here, 0921, and so of course you cannot see that because I'm covering it. Click on next. You'll see a login code. There we go. As you can see, the login code has been entered. Now we're gonna put in our full name. So we're gonna blur that. Sorry guys. I'm gonna put in a password. Then click on continue and sync contacts. Continue without syncing contacts. Then add a birth date. So I'm gonna add a birth date. There we go. And our year. The 4. There we go. The next. Then alright. Enter real birthday. Yes, real birthday. Then next. Enter real birthday. Use your own birthday even if this one is for business or there we go. Yeah, we're gonna put our age. There we go. Then sign up. So we're gonna sign it up. Sign up. There we go. So now it's registering. I have to wait. So as you can see, there's an error occurring right now, but yeah, that's how you change your switch to a business account on Instagram. Now it's on a business account, it's just the internet has a little bit of problem, but just click sign up and then you'll just have to agree to a form, and after that, there you go, you have a business account in Instagram. So, and here's another way to do it if you're using your PC or laptop. Just go right here to your profile and then click on settings right here. You just click more. Then click on settings right there. After that, scroll down until you see account types and tools. Then click on switch to professional account. Then as you can see, creator or business, but now we're going to choose business or we can choose creator. So we're going to choose creator. Next, then done. Search which one is your, let's say, personal blog. There it goes. Continue, switch to professional account. The personal account on Instagram will be public. Anyone will be able to see your content in search and blah 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 blah. You'll no longer to approve followers and there we go. So your Instagram's creator account is ready and then click on done. So as you can see right now, my account is now on professional account. So there you go guys. That's how you do it on PC. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.